Good afternoon guys, another video for Motorhome Retrofit. So today we've been working on this 2021 Carthago. It's a C-Tourer and we've done a whole host of extras. So come and follow me and we'll show you what we've been doing. Right, so we're now at the back of the van, obviously, and we have fitted a set of 4 ultrasonic parking sensors. They're audible only, that are colour coded. We've taken the motorhome down to the body shop. It's been spectrum analysed so that we can actually get the full colour of the actual coachwork itself, because motorhomes are quite difficult to match in terms of colour, because if you use the reg number, it'll come back with the colour of the vehicle that it was originally, which is a Mercedes. So we've matched the colour and it looks awesome. We've got 4 sensors, colour coded and audible, and we've got 4 at the front. So we jump to the front, have a look at those. Now at the front we've done the same principle. So instead of taking the bumper off, which you can't do, what we do on passenger cars, we've drilled through the fiberglass. We've done 4 front sensors to give you absolute maximum protection at the front of the vehicle. Now this is a big front end, so these sensors are going to have to work hard. Now rather than do just an audible buzzer for the front, we wire it up through the foot brake, so that when the foot brake is live and the brake lights are on, the system comes live, and then we'll detect on a little segment display, which you'll see here, and then that will then tell you which sensor is meeting an obstruction and how far you are away from hitting it, because a lot of motorhomes have got such a wide or long dashboard that you can't actually see the front of the dash. So now we're going to jump around and show you the external USB that we've done. Right, so this is one of my favourites. We've done quite a few of these and this is absolutely awesome. So we are outside the main habitation area of this motorhome. So you've got the habitation door, you've got the awning light, and you've got the awning, which basically means that this is where you're going to sit outside on the lovely warm balmy evenings. But whilst you're sat outside at your table with your glass of whatever you're drinking, you're also going to want to charge your phone or play some music through a Bluetooth device. Now this, if you press this little button here, allows you to pop open the lid, and you've got 2 USB sockets that you can plug in here. So you can plug in your phone or 2 phones or an iPad or a music device, plug your device in, and you've got 2 little rubber seals here. So what you can do is you can plug it in, you can shut the lid like so, lock, and that means that the cables are fixed in here. So if it was to rain, that's not a problem. As long as your device isn't out, the cables are going to remain watertight as well. Now when this isn't in operation, this is locked, it's IP rated, so that's not going to get any water ingress at all. And this has been set up and wired in onto the entertainment circuit. So when the entertainment circuit is switched on, i.e. TV, audio, Wi-Fi, then this will come on and be live. And when you turn it off from the inside switchboard, then this becomes disconnected. This is absolutely fantastic, rather than you having to worry about your phone or device plugging and charging up inside, you missing a call, or etc, etc. You've now got the handy feature of it being outside whilst you're on your campsite or camping wild. Right, so we're now inside, and one of the final pieces is the 5G ready 4G motorhome Wi-Fi. So if you see up here, that's the white antenna up on the roof, and inside this cupboard you've got the 4G router. Now this motorhome has been particularly difficult because this is the only area that this router can go. This is what we call the comms cupboard, but with everything curving off here with the curvature of the motorhome and this shelf being fixed, we've been unable to fix the router on a vertical. So we've done a few now on a horizontal basis. So now customer can just slide this out of its little mount, pop the SIM card in, check the signal status on here, but also still got full use of the cupboard for other personal bits and pieces, and it's hideaway. So once you don't want it, you just shut the cupboard like so. You turn off the infotainment circuit on the switchboard, and that is then completely isolated. And the antenna is nice and neat on the roof and sealed watertight as well. And then one last thing we'll show you is also the really nice segment display for the parking sensors in operation. Right, so what we've done is, because the driver is obviously the most important person, when we fit our front and rear sensor system, the display for the front always has to be as close as it possibly can to the driver. Now, a lot of them that we've done on the Fiat chassis have been on the driver's side, on the right-hand side. But what we've done here, we've taken out the instrument cluster, done a really nice, neat installation of the display. And that's why you come to us, because this is a bespoke job, especially for this. Now, this segment display won't do anything until I've put my foot on the brake. When I put my foot on the brake, the system will come live. Now, when Richard, who's outside, walks towards, you'll find that the segments will start to light up. Now, at the moment, all the segments are lit up on one side, which means that Richard is one side of the vehicle. As he moves towards the centre of the vehicle, you'll find that all the lights move up. And if he just backs off a tiny bit, you'll find that it goes from red lights to green lights. And if he comes back in a tiny bit more, those green lights change to red. And when you've got a double red light and flash, that means that you're at your danger point, and that's 30 centimeters away. So this is the reason why we don't do audible front sensors, we just do the optical side of things, because you've got a Mercedes style display in your Mercedes motorhome. Although we do this for so many of them, it's in keeping with what we do. Now, you have watched a video today for Motorhome Retrofits. We've done so much on this van. This is a 2021 Heimer. It's a Carthago coach-built motorhome. We've done front and rear colour-coded sensors. We've done an external dual USB charging pod, and we've done a 5G ready Wi-Fi antenna with a 4G router. It's a good couple of days worth of work. You can watch the video, make sure you comment, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, follow us on the socials. We work hard for this. We love doing our videos because we love showing off the quality of what we do. Thanks for watching, and keep watching our videos.